Hi, my name is Vanessa. Today we're going to talk about wheelchairs. This is an attendant-propelled wheelchair. It is a mobility device to get you from one place to another, so not ideally to be sat in for a long time. Each wheelchair will have its maximum weight limit, so do look for a sticker that specifies this, like this one has it on the side here. Now we're going to look at the different parts of the wheelchair, and we'll start with the seat. Each wheelchair might have a padded seat or a plain canvas, and we recommend getting a pressure cushion to put on top for comfort and pressure care if you need it. Each cushion might be a little bit different, so just check the orientation front to back. Some might have contours, so look out for that as well. When you first get your chair, it's good to familiarise yourself with the brakes. They might vary in position and style, so they might be on the handles. This one is by the wheel. Make sure they're applied before someone gets into the wheelchair and out of the wheelchair, as well as if the wheelchair is left unattended. Okay, now we're going to talk about the foot plates. They're really important to have in place when wheeling someone around, so make sure they are in place. Each latch will be different on each wheelchair. Make sure you fold your foot plates out of the way if someone is coming out of their wheelchair or coming back into the wheelchair to sit down, and make sure they are in place before wheeling anyone around. Now we're going to look at the backrest. These are foldable. This helps to make the wheelchair compact when you're putting it in the back of your car. And when folding them back up, just be careful with your own fingers and the person sitting in the wheelchair if they're in the wheelchair, not to pinch their skin. So be cautious and make sure it's fully locked in place. Now we're going to talk about the armrests. Each wheelchair will be a little bit different. These ones remove completely, some fold away. There should be a little latch to remove, and it just comes away like so. This can be really helpful to store this in your car if you're folding it completely. Just be mindful there is a right and a left, so often the armrest sticks out more to the outside of the wheelchair. Make sure it's secured in place before anyone sits in the wheelchair, and make sure the clasp is secure too. Now we're going to talk about lap belts. So you don't need to always use one of these, but they might provide the person in the wheelchair confidence, especially when going up or down slopes and curbs. Never use these as restraints. Please ensure you have consent from the person using the wheelchair. They are very different to postural belts, so this would have been prescribed by an occupational therapist, so do check with them in regards to using a postural belt. Now we're going to look at how to fold a chair. So we'll probably start with the foot plates. Make sure they're folded up and completely removed. Remove the cushion. And the belt out of the way. Then to fold the chair compact, just pull on the canvas at the front and at the back. And then if you are storing this at the back of your car, then you can fold the back like so. Now we're going to look at unfolding the chair. So just be sure everything is ready to fold up safely. You could do the backrest first. Make sure it's clipped in. To open the seat up, pop your fingers on the inside of the canvas and push down. Be really careful with your fingers so you don't trap your fingers on the sides. Pop your cushion. Again, making sure it's the right way round. And then we'll put the foot plates in place. Make sure you find the right side. Clip that into place. And then just be sure to do a once over, check everything is secure and working and functioning how it should be, and it's safe for a person to use.